Hi guys, so the question is yet another array problem. You are given an integer n and an array a of length n. Find the smallest integer x. X is greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to 10 to the power 18. Okay, such that there exists an index I which is greater than 1 or n equal to 1 and also less than equal to n. Okay, with GCD means greatest common divisor at ai index comma x is equal to 1. If no such x exists within the range of 2 comma 10 to the power 18, output is -1. Okay, so what we have to output for each test case, output a single integer, the smallest x, such that there exists an index I with GCD equal to 1. If there is no such x in the range, then print -1. Okay, like as you can see in the first test case, GCD of 2 and 1 is equal to 1, which is the smallest number satisfying the condition. So it is 2. Okay, in the first test case, as you can see. In the second test case, GCD 2 comma 6 is equal to 2, GCD 2 comma 12 is equal to 2, and so 2 cannot be the answer. Then GCD 3 comma 6 is equal to 3, GCD 3 comma 12 is equal to 3, so 3 also cannot be the answer. Same 4 also cannot be the answer, but GCD 5 comma 6 is equal to 1, so the answer is 5. Okay, so as you can see in the second test case, the answer is 5. So let me show you the solution. There's the solution. What we are doing over here, we declare a prime number of array where we'll store 2 3 5 4 2 3 5 7 like that. Okay, and then what we'll do, enter number of enter n, then we will declare long as is equal to long e 1 e19. Okay, then we'll run a for loop. Inside the for loop, we'll take a x value, and what we'll do, we'll print we'll run a for loop inside a for loop. Then what we are doing over here, long p column primes. Okay, it will run till primes end. Okay, array end of the array. Then what we will do, if x mod p is not equal to 0, then we will take the minimum value between ans and p, and then we will break over here. Okay, and after break we will print the value of ans. Okay, so let me run the code. Just a second. C 2167 okay, now let's execute this code. Let's enter the see, all the answers are correct. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.